Welcome to this complete Menorca, Spain guide. Nestled in the Mediterranean Sea, Menorca is the easternmost island of the Balearic archipelago, a tranquil gem brimming with Spanish history, culture, and natural beauty. This island is more than just a sun, sea, and sand destination. It's a place where time slows down, where the old-world charm meets the modern comforts. Proudly wearing the badge of a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, Menorca is a paradise for nature lovers. Its turquoise waters and white sandy beaches are just the beginning. We're going to explore 10 of Menorca's most captivating spots. From the mesmerizing Cala Macarella to the historic Ciutadella Oldtown, the towering Monte Toro, and the mysterious Naveta Deudon. We'll also take a stroll around Marne Harbour, dive into the clear waters of Calamjana, explore the unique Cova den Zoroy, visit the picturesque Binibecavel, and end our journey at the serene Calaprond and the iconic Favaradics lighthouse. Embark on a journey to the heart of the Mediterranean, Menorca. Our first stop is the stunning Cala Macarella. Imagine a secluded cove where the turquoise waters meet the golden sands, nestled amidst the lush greenery. That's Cala Macarella for you, a slice of heaven tucked away on the southern coast of Menorca. The crystal clear waters here are so inviting you'd want to take a dip the moment you lay your eyes on them. And the surrounding tranquility? It's the kind of serene environment where you can hear the rustle of leaves, the gentle lapping of waves, and the occasional chirping of the birds. The best time to visit? Early morning or late afternoon. You'll beat the crowd and have the beach mostly to yourself. As for activities, snorkeling, sunbathing, or simply taking a leisurely stroll along the shore, it's all up to you. But remember, leave only footprints behind and take only memories with you. Cala Macarella, truly a paradise on earth. Next, we journey to the enchanting Ciutadella Oldtown. Steeped in history and brimming with charm, this quaint town was once the capital of Menorca. Its historical significance is evident in every cobblestone, every arch, and every age-old building. Meandering through the narrow, labyrinthine streets, you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time. The town's architecture is a fascinating blend of Gothic and Baroque styles, a nod to its past under various rulers. But it's not all about the past here. The vibrant local life is very much in the present. The bustling markets, the lively cafes, the friendly locals, they all add to the town's unique charm. And the food, oh the food. The local cuisine is a gastronomic delight with fresh seafood and traditional Menorcan dishes that will make your taste buds dance. Ciutadella Oldtown, where history meets charm. There's no place quite like it, and it's waiting for you to discover its secrets. Now ascend to the highest peak in Menorca, Monte Toro. Imagine standing atop the island, taking in the panoramic views that stretch across the sea and into the horizon. It's as if you're looking at a painter's palette, with hues of blue and green merging seamlessly. Here, at 358 meters above sea level, the world seems to hold its breath, allowing you to soak in the tranquility. Monte Toro isn't just about the view, though. It resonates with spiritual significance, as it is believed to be a place where visions of the Virgin Mary occurred. Perched at the summit, the Franciscan monastery adds a layer of historical and architectural allure to the place. This 17th century edifice houses a statue of the island's patron saint, the Virgin of Monte Toro. It's a blend of the divine and the earthly, the spiritual and the visual, making your journey to the top more than just a climb. Monte Toro, a spiritual and visual high. Venture into the past at Naveta Deudon. This prehistoric burial site, dating back to around 1000 BC, is a testament to Menorca's rich history. Its unique boat-like structure, constructed purely from local stones without any mortar, is a marvel of ancient engineering. The site is shrouded in mystery, with the remains of over 100 individuals discovered here. Its enigmatic allure draws history buffs and curious travelers alike. Naveta Deudon, a journey back in time. Experience the bustling life at Marne Harbour. This vibrant marina brimming with gleaming yachts is a sight to behold. The waterfront lined with lively eateries serves up the freshest seafood, and let me tell you, the paella here is second to none. But what's a harbour without a market? The local market, teeming with unique finds, is a treasure trove for those seeking authentic Menorcan goodies. From handcrafted trinkets to local delicacies, it's a shopper's paradise. Marne Harbour, where life sails smoothly. Escape to the tranquil beauty of Calamjana. Nestled snugly on the southern coast of Menorca, this secluded beach is a hidden gem that's waiting to be discovered. The journey to Calamjana itself is a delightful adventure, a gentle hike through the heart of a lush green forest. Imagine dipping your toes into pristine turquoise waters so clear that you can see the sandy bottom. The calm waves lapping at the shore sing a soothing lullaby, inviting you to take a dip. The beach, a delicate blend of fine white sand and scattered pebbles, is the perfect spot to lay down your towel and soak up the Spanish sun. Surrounding the beach are towering pine forests, their evergreen canopies casting a welcome shade. The scent of pine needles mingles with the salty sea air, creating a unique fragrance that is distinctly Menorca. It's a sensory feast that you'll want to savor. Calamjana, an escape to serenity. Experience the mystical Cova den Zoroy. Nestled on a cliffside overlooking the azure Mediterranean Sea, the cave boasts an unparalleled view that will leave you breathless. But it's not just the view that's captivating. Legend has it a man named Zoroy, the cave's namesake, took refuge here. A shipwreck survivor, he lived in the cave, secretly venturing out only to steal food from the locals. His secret was discovered when he kidnapped a local girl, and they started a family within the cave's shelter. Tragically, their haven was exposed during a snowstorm, leading to Zoroy's fatal fall into the sea. The echoes of his sorrow are said to still reverberate within the cave. Today, Cova den Zoroy has transformed from a hideout to a hideaway. By day it serves as a tranquil lounge, perfect for sipping cocktails and admiring the seascape. By night it morphs into an electrifying nightclub, pulsating with energy under the starlit sky. Cova den Zoroy, where legend meets reality. Walk through the quaint streets of Binibecavel. Immerse yourself in the charm of this unique town that's like a page out of a fairy tale. The architecture here is a spectacle in itself. Whitewashed houses, narrow winding alleys, and bougainvillea-laden balconies create a postcard-perfect scene. The town is a testament to Menorcan tradition and culture, and its tranquil environment is a breath of fresh air. Venture into the labyrinth of lanes and discover hidden gems at every turn. The peaceful setting is an artist's paradise, a poet's muse, and a traveler's delight. Take the time to stop and admire the beauty around you, from the cobblestone paths to the rustic doorways. And when your feet start to complain, head over to one of the local eateries. Indulge in authentic Menorcan cuisine with flavors as vibrant as the town itself. A visit to Binibecavel is not just a walk, it's a journey through the pages of time. Binibecavel, a picturesque journey. Finally, explore the untouched beauty of Calaprond and the majestic Faverix lighthouse. Nestled away on Menorca's northern coast, Calaprond awaits, an untouched gem that truly embodies the island's raw and rugged charm. This secluded beach is a world away from the usual tourist hustle, offering a tranquil haven where the golden sand meets turquoise waters. Its unique landscape with unusual coppery sand dunes and reddish rocks sets it apart from the rest of Menorca's coastline. The journey to reach Calaprond is a little adventure in itself. A 20-minute hike through the Mediterranean scrub unveils this hidden paradise, rewarding every step with the promise of serenity. Once there, time seems to slow down as you soak up the calming rhythm of the waves and the gentle rustling of the wind through the dunes. Now, if you're a fan of sunsets, you're in for a treat. As the day draws to a close, the sun paints the sky with shades of pink and orange, casting a dreamy glow over the beach. It's an absolute feast for the eyes and a golden opportunity for photography enthusiasts. Moving on from the serene beach, we shift our gaze towards the majestic Faverix lighthouse. Perched on the island's easternmost point, the lighthouse stands tall against the backdrop of the wild and windswept landscape. The black and white spiral design of this iconic structure is a sight to behold, especially when it's bathed in the early morning or late evening light. The best time to visit? Well, sunrise and sunset offer the most dramatic views, with the lighthouse serving as a perfect silhouette against the sky's vibrant hues. But be warned, the weather can be unpredictable and the winds can get quite strong, so hold on to your hats, literally. Calaprond and Faverix Lighthouse, the perfect ending to our Menorcan adventure.